Day 29. Dear Diary, I'm still too lazy to get out of my chair. Yesterday, I knocked the remote out of reach, where it now taunts me. So close, but so far. What else can I reach? Nope, nothing there. What else? A Sharpie and some paper. So I decided to make my Pi into an MP3 player controlled using the CV2's QR code functionality, which is an easy way to send text to the Pi via the camera. So here I just showed it a code twice that told it to play an MP3 file called interlude, and plays that. Now I've told it to play an MP3 called hello. It's playing that, and it'll play until the file finishes or until I tell it to do something else. So there I've just told it to turn the volume up, volume down, and here I'm going to pause it. Zoom. So if one song is playing and it's told to play another new song, the first song is stopped and the newly requested song begins. So all this was done using the Pi's built-in media player called Omnex Player. I used pop-in to enter the code into the command line because Omnex code starts and then waits for keyboard inputs to control it. Whereas I couldn't use os.system because that enters the code into the command line and then waits for the command line to give a return before it moves to the next line of code in the Python script. So using pop-in fixed that so that the song would start, but then the Python code would keep looking for QR codes and input the proper key presses to do what I wanted to. So volume up, volume down is the plus and minus keys on the keyboard. Pause is pressing P. Whenever a new song starts playing, Q is pressed to cancel the previous song, then there's a buffer, and then code to input the next song is run and it plays.